Exclusive swimming pool. Oh my god.
So guys, nay nagpagwapa diri kay mag-photoshoot mi.
Mag-photoshoot ni guys. Kay panagsara ta makanhan ning lugar ha. So lubos-lubusin na nato ang photoshoot.
Oh, na yung
That's life. Oh.
Sir George busy kay ganda mag-dive daw siya.
Dive and kayak.
Pero una ko sa to niya tong mga dagway diri na kay.
Para pag-photoshoot mo ka ng still photography ba, mga portraiture ng mga traveler.
Matang-tang naman gyapon mo swimming ang gyapon ko.
After, mo galing nang mag-photoshoot before mag-swim. Kaya siyempre, pag swim ni mo, alangan man po, sa bagay naman siya mga waterproof. O, kita mo na ang gamit, oh. Waterproof.
Wow.
Pero, di na yung ko. O, Victoria, sa tayo before ta mag-ano.
So, abangers.
Abangers.
Later,
Ang
guys.
mga texture.
Surprise. Bye.
Fine sand. Nag-vlog ko Sir Josh dito sa Leo. So, mingaw kayo guys. Mingaw kayo. Lamay kayo pusing-pusing din rin. Paano may kayo pusing-pusing? May ano? Okay. So, I'm not sure it's clear on one of only view ako. So, that's the pavilion for dinner later. Muna siya, gusto mo and we'll be kayaking and we'll be free diving with Sir Josh later on, so a lot to look forward to this afternoon. Thank you, Ma'am Rocky. Thank you, John. I need to clean the camera. John! JJ of Hyderabad and Yusa Sheko. What a copyright there, no? So this is the seashore of Elmar Resort and Spa. Oh my goodness. Very long stretch of white sand.
Okay. Mag-pictorial na ta samtang hindi pa kayo adlaw.
Yes, may angi. Magpusing-pusing meron.
Magpusing-pusing mi kay why init ba?
Yes, perfect.
Kay Karen mapalong na.
Okay, so, again, surprise na po later, yung picture me. Whatever you see in our newsfeed, mo na nang giyaguan na mo.
Yes.
Bye!
This is what you call a kayak. You need this one. Bawal if wala ka ani. Okay, we'll go back to Daddy after we get the paddle, okay? Why baby life jacket, ma? Why baby life jacket? Ilan, wala lang yung bata dito. Sean. Pila? There's on the way. Wait, Sean, I can't reach. Sorry. Thank you, Kuya. Okay, alright. Hey guys! Oh my god. Wala rana, gabi makeup. So if you come here at Elmar, you can use the kayak for free, but they have a cut off. I think it's 550. So we still have 10 minutes to go around. Let's go! Go, you go to the front. bali. You need horse there. Okay. Go. You don't have to sway your body and on just your arms. Perfect. What do you What I see? There's just sand. No visible corals really. So make sure you have your life jackets on when you try kayaking here at Elmar. Thank you once again to Ma'am Rocky and John for bringing us over. So sun is already setting. Take a look at the place. Sean is driving first row. Hi Sean! Anak ni Kasuro yung ni MSN. So we'll head back. Oh, they're at the seawall. Let's go back. That was still 2 minutes though. It's like having a drone, but just like not really having a drone. For the kayaks to be returned now. Yes!
Oh my god!
Thank you, Kuya. Ibili na ni Dere. Oh my god. Return it and on.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, so I thought, so pwede do happy dito lo. Name ninyo? Jay? Roy, Jay and Roy, thank you! Bantay ninyo, maglangoy mo diri sa shore of Elmar Resort. Medyo warm ang water, guys. Anyway, let's go down. Whew. I hope my makeup's still okay. Oh my god, I don't have a mirror. May said it's waterproof, so good luck kung sa ako itsura ron. But I hope you enjoy the tour, sightseeing around the waters of Elmar. Please do check the rooms, the house tour for the presidential villa, and also the tour around the land of the Luluye, who owns the Elmar Resort and Spa. See you later, guys! Oh, siya row. Enan! How are you enjoying Elmar?
Good.
Happy ka? Who will you thank? Ma'am Rocky and Sir John? Ang ilang sure, of course you can play there. My son is playing sandcastle. You can bring your own mga titawagan shovel. Kitty, show them your toy. Show them your toy. Where's your toy? Show them your toy. No, he won't show it to you. It's very child friendly. There are a lot of families swimming there sa unahan. Napakilid rami kaya na-picture man ni ganina. But the place is very big. Oh my gosh. Another day is going to end. Another day to be grateful. Thank you so much for the blessings, Lord. Thank you so much for bringing us here. Thank you so much for giving us friends who value us and treat us as family. Thank you so much. See you again later, guys.
Happy birthday, loves! Hey guys, so we transferred from the beach to the exclusive swimming pool. Oh my god! Exclusive swimming pool for us. So, nagchika kaya po ng boys. May magpicture-picture na sa me. So, that's the house we're staying at tonight. Tagsami grooms, pamilya na mo. So, see you again later for dinner. You're enjoying the billiards. Why is the floor wet? Or is it just my feet? I think it's the aircon. Whoa, so you're so near actually. Coco's playing billiards. Hey guys, so it's already 7 p.m. Don't mind my wet hair and my messy leftover makeup. The residue. So I'm here at the theater room. There's a huge screen over here and there are 2 seats at the back and pwede po actually mahigda din. And then 2 beds here. Actually, daghan kayo siya ka tulgan. I don't know what that is. Let's take a look. So, this is a very huge theater room. Oh, there's another CR over here. Another shower area. So, pwede ra jud di ay kastehan diri dapit. So, we're waiting for the rest. We'll be having dinner at the pavilion. Very huge room. So I'll wait here because they're still enjoying billiards down there at the game room. See you later. Thank you.